Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 30. This is the final question. The expression 89,000 times 0.995 to the t power represents the population of a town t years after 1990. On your answer document, mark the best choices to complete the sentence below. Alright, so it says the population of the town either increases or decreases by what percent each year. Alright, so if we look, okay, these equations are given on the EOC again, and just want to make sure we keep noticing that this is raised to a t power, so this is an exponential equation. This number is less than 1, which tells me that it is an exponential decay function. So we know that this is the type of function that we are looking at. Okay, so anything greater than 1, if it's 1 plus your interest rate, this would be greater than 1. If it's 1 minus your interest rate, then it would be decay. So we can say that this one is decreasing. And then it says, what is the percentage amount? Okay, so again, be very careful. This is in decimal form. This is in percents. So we have to convert again from decimal to percents. So what we need to do is first say that this number, 1 minus 0.995 equals what? So first we have to figure out what the difference is between 1 and that, because we know that 1 minus r is what goes in that equation. So we're going to do 1 minus 0.995, and that gives us our decimal, so 0.005. So this equals 0.005. Now, to change this to a to a percent, this is a decimal, change it to a percent, I'll move it 2 places, so 0.5%. Anytime you're changing from a decimal to a percent, you move it 2 decimal places, okay? So, the correct answer would be, the first answer, 0.5%. So you have to be careful. Don't put what's here, that's not your answer. Be careful not to put 5% because it's not 5%. And then they did change that from a decimal to a percent. But again, you didn't recognize that the equation is 1 minus r. So remember, what goes in parentheses is either 1 plus or minus r. And because this number is below 1, we know that we subtracted that interest rate. All right. So the population of the town decreases by 0.5% each year.